Hey everyone, ever dreamed of making pro-level animated videos without ever touching editing software, showing your face, or spending a single dollar on a camera crew? Well, get ready, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to go from idea to fully animated video in under 5 minutes using nothing but AI. Just type, click, and publish. In this tutorial, we're diving into Mootion, a ridiculously powerful AI native platform that lets you create faceless videos for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or wherever your content lives. Whether you're into storytelling, teaching, explaining, entertaining, or just experimenting, Mootion automates the entire process, yet still gives you control when you need it. You can start from a prompt, a written script, an audio or video file, a document, or even just a website link. Once you log into Mootion, you'll land on a clean and easy to use dashboard. At the top, you'll see different options to start a video, including beginning with a text prompt. Just below that, you'll find templates tailored for different video types, like general content, social media kits, animation, education, drama, narratives, religious stories, mindfulness, and entertainment. Right beneath these categories, there's a gallery section where you can explore sample projects and choose the one that fits your idea. Let's go ahead and create a video from scratch. Click on Create New Project. In the prompt box, enter your video idea. For this example, I'll type a workday vlog of a cute fat anthropomorphic orange tabby cat. Once you hit enter, Mootion automatically gets to work. First, it understands and structures your story. Then, it writes a detailed script. Now, Mootion will start generating visual images that match each scene. You'll see unique visuals created for every part of your story. Once the images are ready, click Animate All to turn them into animated scenes. You don't need to animate each one manually. Mootion handles it for you in the background. While it animates, you're free to start another project. The platform will notify you once the animation is complete. After animation is done, click Edit Project. This is where you can fine-tune your video. You can update the title of your project, edit, or rewrite the script for each scene. If you're not happy with an image, click Regenerate to create a new version. Need more control? Click Edit on any image. Inside the image editor, you can crop the image, flip it horizontally or vertically. Use the brush tool to draw or add new elements. Use the eraser to remove unwanted parts or completely replace the background. And done. If you want to animate a single image manually, just click the Animate button on it. You can either describe the motion you want or leave it blank and let the AI do the work. Click OK and Mootion will process your request. Once done, the still image will be replaced with the animated version. You can also add extra elements to each scene or import visuals from your media library. When your scenes are ready, click Next. Here's what you can customize next. Video title style, I'll skip that for now. Subtitle style, choose from multiple designs that suit your tone. Thumbnail, select an image for your video's cover. Visual effects, like lighting, shadows, and overlays. Scene transitions, add smooth transitions between scenes for a cinematic look. These finishing touches help give your video a polished professional feel. Voiceovers and avatars.
The only true wisdom is in knowing you know.
Life is like a box of chocolate.
You can preview each voice before making a selection. Adjust the speaking pace, slow, medium, or fast. Want to include an avatar? Mootion lets you add digital presenters with synced lip movements and expressive gestures. You can change the avatar's position on screen. Choose different poses. Select a style that matches your content. Now it's time to set the mood with background music. Mootion offers a library of tracks you can preview before adding. You can sort by tempo, slow, medium, or fast. Each track includes emotion tags like happy, chill, sad, funny, angry, or elegant. Pick the one that fits your video best. Once you finalize the visuals, script, music, and voiceover, click Compose It. Mootion will now assemble your video from start to finish. This can take a few moments depending on complexity.
It was a chilly autumn morning, and the sun was barely peeking over the horizon when Percy, the chubby orange tabby cat, hoisted himself out of his cozy bed. Percy was known around the neighborhood as the chubbiest, most adorable cat. His morning rituals were starting to feel like a mini event. Percy wobbled to the kitchen, his fluffy tail bouncing behind him, where he prepared a windowsill, where the light filtered through the glass just right. Emma positioned the camera and started filming. "Good morning, everyone," she said enthusiastically. "Percy here is ready to start his work day." Percy's first task was a product review. Emma placed a new automated laser toy in front of Percy, who eyed it with skepticism. The little red bounced around the room, taunting him to chase. Percy gave a slight nod.
You'll also get the option to download the full video, download the storyboard, or just download the thumbnail. Everything is professionally packaged and ready for publishing on social media, websites, or presentations. And by the way, Mootion isn't limited to prompts. You can also start a project by writing a full paragraph or scene, uploading an audio file, or even a video file. Mootion will analyze your file, extract the content, and turn it into an animated video. You can also choose your aspect ratio, square, vertical, or landscape pick from a wide range of visual styles and templates. This makes it perfect for social media marketing, short animations, educational content, product demos, and more, with hundreds of templates and endless customization options. So if you want to turn your ideas into high-quality animated videos without editing headaches, Mootion is definitely worth checking out. You'll find the link in the description below. Use it to grab an exclusive 20% discount on your subscription. If this video helped you out, give it a like, hit subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss more awesome tools like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.